Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you want to translate any PDF file into another language for free using Google Gemini on your phone, then this video will help you. So let's get started. First, open the Gemini app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Now on the main screen, tap on the plus icon or upload option. Select Files and choose your PDF from your phone storage. Wait for the file to upload completely. Once your PDF is uploaded, tap on the text box and type a prompt. For example, if your PDF is in Spanish, type "Translate this PDF from Spanish to English." Now tap Send and wait a few seconds. Gemini will read your PDF and translate the content into your selected language directly in the chat. If your file is long, you can also type "Summarize" and translate this PDF into English. This will give you short and clear translated notes. If you only want certain parts, you can ask Gemini to translate specific pages or sections. In case the upload option is not showing, update your app and make sure file permissions are enabled on your phone. This method is completely free and works for most PDF files. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro. Hello.